W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike, and today we are going to draw this gingerbread character. Now to draw this gingerbread character, we only need 3 basic lines and shapes. A circle, a line, and an arc. Are you ready to see how this all fits together? Alright, let's start off with an arc. And that arc is going to go right across the top of the paper here. This is going to be the top of the head of the gingerbread character here. Let's see. Just like this. Okay. Now, it looks like when we were looking at the character that it was an oval or a circle that was there, but there's a gap at the bottom. So let's have another arc come here and stop. Okay, and then we're gonna join that back here and have it stop right here. So it's almost a circle all the way around, but we're gonna not join the bottom part. So we just use 3 arcs to make that. And now we're gonna add in our circles. We're gonna have eyes right here, and the other one right here. You can color those in if you want. I'm gonna color mine in. Next, we're going to add an arc for the top of the mouth, and then another arc for the bottom of the mouth, and I'm going to color that in as well. Just like that. Next, I'm going to add in 2 lines. One here, and one here for the eyebrows. Okay. And now, let's put in the arms. So this arm is going to come out. There's a line here. And I'm going to have an arc at the end. And I have another line come in. And I could do that as one shape. You have a line, and then an arc, and then another line that comes in. And then on the back side, on this side, we're going to have the line come up. So the arm is outstretched here. And there's going to be an arc at the top. It's going to come down like this, another line. Now we're going to have another arc, curve of the back, and then a curved, so an arc up front for the curve of the belly, just like that. Now we can add in our leg that's going backward here. So a line, and then a curve, or an arc. And we're going to do another line that comes in right about to here. And now we're going to have another line come down to this other leg that looks like it's bent. So we'll have a line that comes here, and then we're going to have a line that comes down, a line that comes down, and then we're going to have an arc join that at the bottom. And it does look like that gingerbread character is pretty quick. Alright, so now we're going to add some lines, 1 and then 2 for decoration. And we'll add another line here, 1 and then 2. And if you need to pause this video at any point, feel free to pause it, and then you can catch up and then join back with us, okay? You can add another line here and another line. And then we'll do 2 more on this arm. And now we're going to add the little circles for the buttons. So a circle here, a circle here, and a circle here. Now I think for this character I'm going to add in a thick black outline. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but sometimes I like to add in a thick black outline around my characters and my drawings, just to finish them off. I'm just using the side of my marker here, or you could just push down a little bit harder and you'll get a thicker line. All I'm doing is tracing around the outside of my drawing. Okay, I'm going to turn my paper so I can get to here easier. Push this. And if you want to get smooth lines or smooth curves, it's good to drag, to have the bottom of your hand drag on the table or wherever you're drawing. So it makes your hand a bit more stable so you don't get a shaky line. If you hold your hand above it, you don't have any support. But if you drag your palm, the heel of your palm or this part of your hand here, across the paper, you'll be able to have a stable, nice, smooth line. Okay? And, oh, I almost forgot this part here. Just add that in. Now, I'm going to add just a few lines. I'm going to turn my paper again this way. And we're going to add some lines to make it look like this gingerbread character is very fast. Okay. And here. Here. Great job following along, everybody. This looks so cute! Do you think you can catch the gingerbread character? I think that we should color this now. So what color are you going to use to make this character come to life? It's your choice. You are the artist. If you follow along to the end of the video, you can see what color choices I made. If you want to follow along and make the same choices that I did, that's completely fine. Or you could use your imagination and pick your own colors. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye. For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.